Hi my YouTube fam! So today's video is going to be what I got for Christmas combined with Hawaii haul part 2. So first of all, I just want to wish all you guys a very Merry Christmas. I hope you had a wonderful time celebrating with your family and friends. Well, for those of you that do celebrate Christmas, I just love it so much. For those of you that don't know, I come from a very big family. I'm the oldest of 7. So one of our traditions is to wear red, green, or white. So in today's video, I thought I would wear all 3 colors because that's something we've been doing for years and we just love doing it. And then we take a big family photo of all of us in the exact same position. So a lot of you requested for me to film what I got for Christmas. I know I love watching these videos. And honestly, guys, of course, Christmas it's nice getting presents. I personally love seeing people open up their presents. And I don't know, there's just so much joy in giving. I just want to share with you some of the presents I got and then combine it with my Hawaii haul part 2 because that's what I've promised you guys. So I can't wait to show you everything I've got. So let's get started. So let's start off with the Christmas gifts that I got. And in no particular order, the first thing that I got was this beautiful Megan Hess book. It's her latest book. It's called Iconic, The Masters of Italian Fashion. And I have all Megan's books and I've had the privilege of meeting her and she is just lovely. So that is from my sister-in-law. And the second thing my sister-in-law got us was this lakeside farmers produce lunch with wine, which is perfect for hubby and I. We love going down to the Mornington Peninsula. It's at one of the estates. So really looking forward to it. And then that can be like a date day. So next up is something in this bag and it's from one of my good friends, Loy. Hi Loy, if you're watching. I will leave her Instagram down below. But she got me the Naked 3 Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, which is perfect for me because I'm not that adventurous with my eye makeup and this is just one of those classics that I've been wanting to try for ages. I do have the Naked palette number 1 or 2, I can't remember. So I've heard really good things about this. So I just love it and I can't wait to try it out. And from the kids this year, Miss S always makes me a beautiful card, which I absolutely love because I love handmade items. And you guys know that I love cards. I love physical cards. Hubby and I always write each other cards. This is our 21st Christmas. So I have 21 Christmas cards from him and it just means so much to me. And also my son got me, which I thought was so thoughtful. I don't have it here to show you because unfortunately this time of year with the post, it just is taking a long time. So it hasn't arrived. But next year in 2019 is hubby and I's 20-year wedding anniversary. So what he actually got made was like a personalized luggage tag because next year hubby and I plan to go on a trip to celebrate our 20 years together. So I just thought that was really, really thoughtful for him to sort of, you know, design it and make it. So I can't wait till that gets here. So next up is a present that really touched me and it's actually from one of my subscribers or what I like to call it my YouTube family. And her name is Anna. So Anna wrote me this 2-page letter. I was not expecting this at all. It is just so thoughtful, so heartfelt, and just exactly me. And I'll show you, I did actually share this on my Instagram already. If you don't follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram handle here. I would love for you to join my Instagram fam as well. But what she painted for me is this. So this is an original piece of artwork. You guys know that Miss S and I love twinning. This is actually a picture of one of our twinning shots that we love to do the last couple of years. And I just was blown away and I was like, wow, just the effort, the thought, and everything behind the painting. I just want to thank you so much, Anna. I will leave Anna's Instagram down below. Do go check her out because this painting that she's doing is like, she's going to be doing a whole series of paintings. And what I really love about this, it's because she felt inspired by the Me Too project. I'm sure you guys have heard about, you know, the hashtag Me Too. So she was inspired by it. And then I'll just read out what she wrote in here. And she's just saying that she wanted to create a whole collection inspired by texture, prints, and colors of famous handmade handbags, and her aim is to actually donate 50% of the proceeds to less fortunate sisters that were abused as wife, teenager, or baby girls. And I just think that's amazing. I think during this festive season, it doesn't even have to be this festive season, you know, a lot of people may not be able to afford gifts, or there are a lot more less fortunate. And I'm a very big believer in donating to charity. It's something that our family really supports as well. And this really resonates with me because for those that have been following me for ages, you also know that I went to Cambodia about 3 years ago, helping disadvantaged women, children, understanding a bit about the trafficking that's happening there with the young girls. So she did not expect me to say anything about this, but I just wanted to share it. So do go check her out. And thank you so much for that piece of artwork. You guys know I love art. As you can see behind the Christmas tree, I've got artwork everywhere in my house. I just love it. So thank you again, Anna. And lastly, from my brothers and sisters, they all put in to like a Chadston gift card. And with that gift card, I used it to get this present. So I will show you, look at this beautiful Christmas camellia. I think this is like my favorite so far the past few years. And I will show you what I got. And in here, so I did choose it because they said, oh, we don't know what to get you. And so I picked something in here, and it is, ta-da! It is the gorgeous Chanel card case, the filigree card case. I love this color combination, the blue, white, and orangey red. Actually, does it match my lips? It's just gorgeous. And so I think out of all small leather goods, or what we call SLGs, Chanel is definitely my favorite for SLGs. And yeah, I just really love this combination. Plus I don't have this kind of filigree design, so I am just absolutely wrapped with that. So those are the amazing gifts that I received from my generous family and friends, and I am just very, very thankful and grateful to them. So next up is all the items I got from Hawaii. So this is part 2. So for those of you that haven't watched, I have released 2 vlogs now, Hawaii part 1 and Hawaii part 2. I will link them above and in the description bar below. If you have never been to Hawaii, I highly recommend it. It is like the perfect mix of shopping, beach, sightseeing. Yeah, I just can't rave on about it enough. So all these gifts, I guess, are like presents from me to me or hubby to me. So I said to him, do not buy me a Christmas present this year. I definitely did a lot of damage in Hawaii. So I can't wait to show you all the items I got. And as promised, I said that I would do this Hawaii unboxing part 2. But I have done a Hawaii unboxing part 1. So if you missed that, I'll link it above. But let's get into Hawaii part 2 now. So let's start off with Gucci. So let's start off with this one. So Gucci Christmas packaging was really fun this year. It's actually this beautiful pink ribbon, and this is something for hubby actually. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you know that hubby isn't that into luxury goods, but he is getting a bit more so. So this is what he picked out. So this is something that, you know, is part of his Christmas present, and he has already worn them. And they are these Gucci rubber slides. So this is what they look like. I don't know if you guys can see. He said these are very, very comfortable when he tried them on. And honestly, for him, because it's all black, it was still not too flashy and quite understated. So if you're looking for a present for your partner, I do recommend these. They are pretty well priced for Gucci. They come in different colors as well. And yes, I will share the price with you. So this was $250 USD, which is not too bad for Gucci. Okay, next box is in here. And I just quickly want to show you, because I thought this was very fun, how pretty is the pink Gucci bag, Holiday 2018. I am a total sucker for packaging. So I just wanted to show you that. And, oh, actually I had an idea, but let me unbox this and then I'll talk to you about my idea. So, beautiful pink ribbon. And in here is something in this dust bag. I got, oh, you might be able to hear it. Oops, it's already upside down. I got, ta-da! So this is the Gucci rattan bag. And I have been eyeing this for a while, but it sold out in Melbourne quite quickly. And I was like, oh, well, if it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. So I didn't get it. It does come in 2 sizes, and I did see it available in the smaller size. It comes in like red and green as well, but I wanted the neutral color one. I am a big fan of wicker. I have actually been looking for like a vintage wicker bag as well. But anyway, I tried this on and I just loved it. It was in my blog, or a little snippet. And another thing that I love about it is, look at this lining. I think it's so pretty. So it's all floral sort of lining, as you can see. And yeah, I just really like it. I love the GG Marmont logo. And I also want to tell you guys that in terms of Gucci bags and SLGs, I believe, it is a lot cheaper. I think it's like 20% cheaper than USA mainland. But that's only on small leather goods and bags, I believe. If you know otherwise, do comment below. But for example, the shoes, they were the same price. So I ended up saving, when I calculated in Australia, about 300 to 400-ish off retail price. So what I paid for this was 1,795 USD, and then obviously plus the tax, which is a lot lower in Hawaii than all the other USA mainland states. Actually, I haven't bought a Gucci bag for a while, so I actually really love this new edition. So what I was saying before when I was showing you this beautiful holiday packaging was, in my Hawaii unboxing haul part 1, so many of you commented about the beautiful, Dior packaging, and the Chanel Camellia is like one of my favorite too. So I just kind of thought, why not give away, like, I don't know if you guys are interested, but I'm happy to give away 3 things. I've got this Dior box. So it's only the packaging, but so many of you commented. So let me know. As I said, this might be just a smaller giveaway, but I want to do as many giveaways as I can for you guys. And since so many of you mentioned it, I thought maybe it's a good idea. So anyway, I have this box and ribbon I could give away as one prize. I've got this beautiful Dior bag. So this is the Toit de Joie. So this is limited with the beautiful ribbon as well. And then I've also got, happy to give you one of my camellias, the Christmas camellias with the Christmas ribbon and the bag. I know a lot of you just like to display these things or even use a box as storage. I do read all your comments, hence why I never thought about giving this away. But since so many of you mentioned it, I just thought, maybe it'll be nice. Anyway, let me know. So talking about Dior, let's move on to Dior. And let's do this first. So again, this packaging, I seriously could collect all these boxes. And in here, I bought, so this, I had already bought a couple of items from Dior. So I wasn't planning to go in there, but I stumbled upon their pre-sale. And I had been eyeing this for ages, but I could not justify paying full price for this because it is a very expensive piece. But at 50% off, I ended up getting it. And it is the Dior sort of like bralette, maybe? I know this style has been so popular for Dior, and I was very lucky because the black and white had all sold out. There was pink and white and I think another color, but there was one left in my size, and I just really love the Dior. I plan to sort of wear it, with something off the shoulder with just this peeking through. This was something in the black I was thinking of adding. Now, in terms of the price, it was really quite weird. I was looking up the price because you guys know I always share prices with you. And because this was 50% off, it was weird because on the receipt, it just gave a total number. So I'm really sorry, guys. I actually don't know the exact price for this because they put it under, they combined it. But I think from memory, it's still super expensive. I think from memory, it was maybe about 500 USD, maybe something like that. In Dior, they don't have any tax, which is really interesting because in Gucci, they do have tax. But anyway, I thought I would share that. And so many of you guys asked me, for Hawaii, unfortunately, no, you cannot claim back tax. So that 4.7%, no, you can't claim it back at the airport or anything. It's not like Europe. So that's the first Dior item that I got for 50% off. And the second one is in here. And very lucky to get these because I almost bought them full price. And when they had the last one in my size, I was like, okay, I have to get them. So she was so kind. She, put it in one of these beautiful boxes for me. And she actually gave me the original shoe box. Yes, it is shoes. So packaged beautifully. And it is these black pumps. And these are so comfortable. Let me show you. So these are the black pumps. And what's so special about it is that behind they've got the love heart, and it does come in red as well as the gold, but I really love the gold. It was just so cute. Dior sizing does run big, so this is in 37. So very comfortable. Love the back detail. Perfect heel height. That's very iconic. See this shape? This sort of like curved shape that's very iconic for Dior heels. So now let's move on to Chanel. So these two items I bought at Chanel YAYYY, and let's start off with this little guy here. So a little baby Christmas camellia. Just take that off. Yes, smell is Chanel SLG obsessed, but look at this pink. I had to add something in this color as well. This pink is just such a Barbie bubblegum sort of pink, and I'm a sucker for Chanel card holders, what can I say? So this is in caviar leather with the light champagne gold hardware, and it's got the, authenticity card. It is a 27 series, and this one is made in Spain. So the price of this was $425 USD plus tax. And finally, my last Chanel item to unbox is in here. So another beautiful camellia. And I'll just stick that on the other knee and unbox this. And from the box, you probably can guess what it is. And so happy to have found these, because when I open them up, you will know. Ta-da! These beautiful Chanel pumps. Guys, these are so comfortable. I have them in black and I wear them to death. They are one of my most worn designer shoes. And I always said, if they come up with another color, I'm on it. And yeah, they came up with the beautiful white with the black toe cap in the grosgrain. So these are just beautiful. Let me just take the other one out. So there you go, guys. How gorgeous, classic, elegant, timeless are these. I highly recommend you guys, if you want to invest in a pair of designer heels that are comfortable, these are the ones with the pearl details, just so iconic Chanel. These do run true to size. I'm a 37.5 and I bought 37.5. Just love these shoes so much. So these ended up being $925 USD, and I'm just so happy to add these to my shoe collection. So there you have it, guys. Those are all the gifts I got for my Christmas presents, and also part 2 of my Hawaii unboxing haul. There is still one more part to go, which will be my massive Hermes haul. So yes, it was a big shopping trip in Hawaii. I am just very grateful and thankful to all my family and friends. And I think all of you would agree with me in saying, of course, having nice things is nice. Of course, getting gifts is nice, but that's not the meaning of Christmas. For us, it is spending time with our family and friends. And also for us as Christians, it's just remembering Jesus' birth. So thank you so much for watching. Do remember, please comment below if you were interested in me doing a packaging giveaway. I'm happy to do these. Like, this doesn't have to be the last one. Like, even next year, if you guys like that, happy to do it for you guys as well, because yeah, I just love giving stuff away to you as much as I can, because you guys are like family to me. So I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you in the new year. Big kisses. Love you so much. Bye, guys.